Hey everyone, welcome back to another box break with Boredom Busters. I'm James.
And I'm Cameron, and this is box break number 11.
11, yeah. So today we've got a box of Bundesliga match Attax Tops Chrome. We were lucky enough to find some nice and cheap online, and the guys from Sports Card Direct in the UK were nice enough to throw in a free pack. So we've actually got a box plus one pack. So we'll open up the box. So before we get started, actually, we'll just show you what you can get in each pack. So base card parallels, the 1 in 3 packets. So we hopefully get 6 to 7 inserts.
Hopefully.
We've got X-fractors. There's purple, blue, green, gold, orange, and red. And then there's a super fractor. They're all numbered. And then we've got the autographs as well. So we'll open up the box
And hopefully get an autograph. And the people that we want is Musiala and Mukoko.
Yeah, so they're the main rookies from this set. We'll just make sure we've got 18 packets in the box here.
19 if
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18.
19.
And then we've got our extra packet here. We'll keep that separate, I think. We'll just keep that one tucked over here, and we'll see what we get out of this box. So we'll
Got the
pop those there.
sleeves, we've got the top loaders, and we're ready.
We're all ready to go. Alright, so
Ooh, oh my.
our
First pack.
Our first pack looks like we've got a bit of blue at the back there. We've got Gebra Selassie, Piatek, we have Awoni, and then we have a blue, Jonathan Schmidt from Freiburg. Nice blue one there to start our hits off.
Don't we do top loader for
That
anything?
is numbered to 150.
Yep, so anything.
So we'll top load that.
So anything.
We're going to top load all of our numbered cards, and if we hit any of the major rookies,
we're going to top load
we'll
them.
top load those as well.
Yep.
So there's our first hit. We've got Schmidt in a blue.
Oh.
Someone from Bayern at the back there,
Abwehr.
not numbered. Oh, there we go. We were chasing that one.
Mukoko.
Mukoko.
Here
We will sleeve and top load that one.
Here's the sleeve.
Wow, very nice start. So we've hit a blue parallel numbered to 150 and a Mukoko in our first 5 cards. Very nice. That is very, very exciting. Straight into the top loader there. Mukoko. Then we have Didavi, Han, and a David Alaba refractor for Bayern.
Who left?
Who's not at Bayern anymore, obviously, but nonetheless, a very nice card.
We've already got 3 good cards. FC Mainz.
Catarabac. Oh,
Double.
is that gold? That's gold. That is gold. Scary. Santa Maria. And from Mines, we have a Danny Latza.
Gold.
Number 250. 37 of 50. We are off to a flying start with this box. This is incredible.
Especially with the parallels. Jeez. So we've already gotten a blue parallel. And then we've got Makoko, and now a gold parallel. Like, this is just an insane box.
It's rubbish.
Unseeable. Vargas and
Caligiuri. Sven Bender. Pretty sure we needed that. We've got Lars Bender.
Is that a refractor?
And then we have a refractor star spieler Mark Oliver Kempf.
Ooh.
So we'll just show you the difference between the base card and the refractor. So base card is just pure chrome, and then you can see
there's a
bit of a rainbow tinge. See around the back of his head there now. So that's the refractor. So on average we've been getting about 1 to 2 packs per box where we don't get a hit of at least a refractor. And in our last box I think we got like 11 parallel cards, didn't we? Yeah, it was
last 2 boxes.
Quite a good box, yeah.
Because we had the double.
We got Maximilian Arnold.
Rising Star!
Oh, yes, very nice. Rising Star Wamangituka, who had some really good cards on FIFA this year. Very fast player.
Yep.
He's definitely one to watch in the Bundesliga.
Let's put the Rising Stars up there.
It's just a base card, but we do like to sleeve up our rookie cards. Oh, and we've got another purple by the looks of it. Or a purple, our first one.
Oh, Halstenberg.
Marcel Halstenberg. Limited edition. Now, I have a feeling actually that we've got this card in a couple of other colours. So, that's numbered to 299.
Yep.
Another nice one there.
Good cards. We've already got 3 parallels. For Spiller.
Zachariah. Darida. We have our first X-Fractor. We have Robin Notch. And we have an X-Fractor of the
Derby
ball, the Derby Star limited edition. So
that's cool. I've never seen an X-Fractor in those.
So we might move our rookie. We'll pop him over here. Got a bit of room there, so we'll just slide along a little bit. There we go.
Oh, mine's midfield.
Oh, there we go. Very nice.
Bellingham.
We have Jude Bellingham.
Top load?
Now, I wasn't sure actually if Bellingham was in this set, but we have him, and we will sleeve and top load that one. That is definitely a big hit. Who knows, we've still got plenty of packs to open. We might hit a Bellingham auto or something like that. Fingers crossed.
Yep.
Oh, that's a that's a base card. So we might put that over here with Wemengatuka. We have Giga. We have Rashica. And then we have a refractor of Kevin Stoger.
No.
Refractor. Very nice. Don't mind Cam here, he's just dropping sleeves all over the floor.
Now we've had... Now
look
every
at that.
single pack has...
Andre Silva scored a very nice overhead kick on the weekend.
Every single pack that we've had has had something that gets sleeved.
Sosa. Yabo. And we have a Sven Bender. Sven and Lars Bender. Obviously the two brothers from Bayer Leverkusen who both retired this year.
On FIFA, it was the end of a generation.
Yeah, they had the special end of era cards on FIFA for both players.
Oh, 100 Club.
It's our first 100 club from this box. Matthias Ginter.
I can see some green.
First signature style as well, or season superstar. We have a Lucas Holler. And then we have a green, numbered to 99 from Union Berlin.
Pojampala.
Pojampalo. I'm not sure if that's how you pronounce it, but numbered to 99.
Oh, we're going so well with the parallels.
Yeah. So what are we?
We've got
1, 2,
5.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're halfway through, and we've already hit 5 parallels. So we've got a pretty hot box here. We've got a Makoku, we've got a Bellingham, we've got a Wemengatuka Rising Star.
We just need
Marin Pongracic, Matthew Hoppy, Isaiah Jacobs, Ismail Jacobs, sorry, and we have a refractor of Marius Wolf.
just... Now we just need Musiala.
Oh, next packet. And remember, we do have an extra packet.
Could it have an auto?
Who knows? Oh, we got another numbered one here. Purple by the looks of it.
Lars Stintel.
Lars Stindl. Christopher Nkunku.
Ooh, another season superstar.
Hoffler. And we have from Wolfsburg, oh, upside down, midfielder, Schlager.
Here's the sleeve, here's the top loader. And now we've got 6.
So we are definitely in front from this box.
This box is like, jeez.
It's like cheese.
Jeez. Stuttgart. Season superstar.
We have a Daichi Kamada. Looks like we might have some X-Fractor action at the back of this.
Rising Sun.
Oh, Florian Wirtz. We still need that one for our set actually, so that's another nice one. We will be slaving up all of these cards at the end of the break, so some of them will be available on our website, boredombusterswithaz.com.au. So don't forget to check it out if you need any of these cards. That's a Endo all-rounder.
And if you're liking this video, like and subscribe.
And you can follow some more of our breaks as we post them on our channel.
Yep.
We do have an Instagram account as well. So just search for Boredom Busters with a Z on Insta. Mateus Cunha.
Sane and
Nabry. Duo. Oh, and we have another rising star, Florian Neuhaus. Now, this one we do actually have in a numbered to 25 orange.
Yeah.
And now we have it in the refractor as well.
Okay.
So, very nice. Refractor.
This is an amazing box.
Now, in this side of the pile, there was one pack that was turned upside down in the box. So, who knows? Could it be an auto? Could it be something really special?
Could be a super fractor.
Who knows? I haven't seen a super fractor yet. We have a Roussillon. We have an Upamecano, who's obviously now at Bayern. We have a Friedrich. And we have, looks like an X-Fractor. Mats Hummels.
What is
Sorry, it's a refractor. Now, we have this card in the base, and as you can see, it doesn't have a number. The number of the card is about 91 or 92, I think.
Yeah.
But yeah, there's obviously been a printing error in this set where the Mats Hummels 100 Club card doesn't have a number. And that's in the base and the refractor that we've seen that now.
Yeah.
We have a base Endo, which we have also there in the X-Fractor. Iago.
Oh!
What
the?
Is that orange?
Yes.
Is it orange or gold? I'm not sure.
It's orange. Let's see what's...
It's not a Bayern player, so... From Hertha Berlin.
Who lost 5-0 to Bayern.
Yeah. We watched the game this morning where Bayern trounced them. Oh, that is Dedrick Boyata. Very nice. Now, these are numbered, I believe, to 25. Yes.
3.
Number 3. Which is not his jersey number, unfortunately, but nonetheless, a very, very nice card. That is pristine. Look at that.
And here is the sleeve.
We'll very carefully sleeve this one up.
And the top loader.
Numbered to 25. Wowee.
3 of 25. That's just... good card.
Very, very nice. So, we might move things along a little bit here.
So now we've got...
I'll just pull those base cards out of the way.
I'm pretty sure we've got 7 parallels now.
Yep, 3 purples, a blue, a green, a gold,
and an orange.
And now an orange.
We've got every colour. Stuttgart.
We have Manuel Neuer.
And I can see some purple.
Another parallel. Wow. This is ridiculous.
Might want to go Stuttgart.
Stuttgart. Sosa. Wow. I think this is the hottest box we've had so far, isn't
Yep.
it, Cam?
Because now I've got 8.
This is incredible. The only thing that we haven't hit is an auto, but since we've already got an orange and a gold, I don't really like our chances of an autograph.
Unless in that special pack that we got given, we could have an auto. Never know. Never know.
And we haven't had a dead pack yet either, have we?
Mass Hummels.
Yeah, so there's the Mats Hummels that I was saying before. This is the base card, which we've actually got already. But as you can see, no number on that one. Bauman.
Wait, what the?
Malone.
What? What the? What the
It's
what?
blue. It's blue.
Yeah, but we've got another parallel, back-to-back parallels.
Oh, Ryan Sessegnon. Very nice. He is a very good up and coming player for Hoffenheim.
2 back-to-back parallels.
This is a ridiculous box.
We've now got 9. Think you ordered the right box, James?
This one doesn't want to go into the top loader, so we'll just be careful with that. There we go. Yep, very nice.
9 parallels.
This is our
And
last
counting.
packet from the box. Then obviously we have our spare free packet that we got. There we go.
Alphonso
We have
Davies.
a Rising Star Alphonso Davies. Very
Yeah.
nice.
Yeah. I will sleeve that one for you.
Ooh. Oh. Wow. We have a red. We have our first red.
What?
Hang on.
What the what? Numbered
Numbered to
2
5.
out of 5. 2 out
Numbered
of
to
5.
5. I covered the team. I covered the team because I didn't want to see who it was. Oh. Hang on. Oh. Who could it be? Hang on. We got one more. Patrick Schick. Oh, this is so exciting.
What if it's an auto?
This is the lowest number card that we've ever pulled on this channel. It's upside down.
Upside
There's a bit
down?
of blue, so I don't think that it's a buy-in card.
Still, who cares?
Oh, it's Bielefeld. It has to be from the worst team in the league, doesn't it? It is a limited edition.
Is that keeper?
Moreno. Numbered to 5.
2 out of 5.
Wow.
Whoa.
Oh, it's a shame it couldn't have been number 1. Obviously, with his goalkeeping jersey, number 1. But that is a big pull. Numbered 2 of 5.
Oh god. We've got one more top loader. We've got one more in this box. Got one more in the box of top
I
loaders.
cannot believe that. Have a look
Here's
at
the
that.
top loader.
Oh.
Top load. Too excited to top load.
Oh, yeah.
Red. First red we've ever gotten.
It's the lowest numbered card that we've pulled from
well.
any of our box breaks. There we go, once again. Stefan Ortega Moreno from Bielefeld, goalkeeper, numbered 2 of 5.
It's not like Bielefeld got relegated.
Yeah, they did well to stay up last year. And
it's
then,
all thanks to
so-
that keeper.
Again, thanks heaps to Sports Cards Direct
For the extra.
for the extra pack that they threw in our delivery. So they're based in the UK.
Oh!
And we have another
What?
numbered card. Another
This is
numbered
for
card.
11. So we got 10 in one box. And then
We have a
11.
Galaxy. We have a 100 Club Ginter. We have Maximilian Arnold.
100
And
club.
Hendrik Kramaric from Hoffenheim.
What? And we've run our top loaders.
There's another box there.
Yeah, but in here, this box, we ran our top loaders.
Wow, that is a crazy box. That is a crazy, crazy box.
10 parallels in one box and then one extra one.
So, let's have a little bit of a recap. So, we'll leave these for now. We'll start with our refractors. We had Mats Hummels, 100 Club. Neuhaus, Rising Star, refractor, who for me is one of the top rookies or young players this year. Marius Wolf, Stolger, Kempf, and David Alaba. They're all refractors. Then we had some X-fractors.
Overwhelmed.
We had a Endo and the ball, which looks really cool in the X-fractor. Looks like it's exploding out of that picture. Then we had some purples, numbered to 299. So we had a Kramaric.
Which we got in our lucky pack.
Well, 223 of 299. 261 of 299 Sosa. Schlager, 118 of 299. Sven Bender, 21 of 299. And Marcel Halstenberg, 57 of 299. So that's all our purples. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of those.
5.
Then we had a couple of blues. Ryan Sessegnon. And that's numbered 129 of 150. And numbered 26 of 150. Schmidt.
So that's 7.
Then we had Podjan Parlo from Union Berlin. Numbered 87 of 99.
That's 8.
Then we had a gold. Latza. Numbered 37 of 50.
That's 9.
Then we had a orange.
Which we thought would be our highest one.
Numbered 3 of 25. When we hit that, we thought that was it. Done for the box.
And
we
then,
are done. But we were not done yet.
Because the last pack brought
A 2 of 5 Merino. 2 of 5. And then on top of that, we also had Davies Rising Star, Wirtz Rising Star, Wemingatuka, and we also had the Jude Bellingham and Makoko pair, number 17 and 18, which we were still chasing for our set. So all in all, that is an amazing box. Like, so many hits, so many low numbered cards as well. A 5, a 25, a 50, and all of those. So thanks everyone for tuning in. If you like the video, don't forget to like our video and subscribe and follow our content in the future.
And follow Instagram.
Yeah, also check out our Instagram, Boredom Busters with a Z. And thanks again, and we'll see you next time on Boredom Busters.